Hey guys, hey gorgeous people, hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I think this is my first video with this setup. Well, I hope it is. I hope I don't film another, but actually this is the first video I'm filming with this setup. It's a work in progress, but do I love it? I definitely love it. So you can see me with my do-rag and a very gorgeous face beat. You know that the only thing left is the wig, okay? And that's what we're going to get into in this video. We have a gorgeous unit from Yolissa hair. Can't wait for you guys to meet her. Like I said, this unit is from Yolissa hair, so it came in this box, and as usual I'm going to show you guys what it looks like straight out of the packaging. First of all, let's get into the goodies that came in this box. So we have this edge brush, very good if you want to do like baby hair. Okay, we have the HD wig cap, which y'all know is my absolute fave. It is super thin, and I also find it like, because it's thin, it's like airy. I'm someone that feels like a lot of heat on my scalp, so anything that is light, I'm sat, like sign me up, I'll take two of that. You can literally see how thin this is. It's literally like the best wig cap to use, especially if you don't want like a sharp, you know, line showing in your closure. What else do we have here? Oh, we have a pair of lashes. So we have these false lashes. I already had mine done. If not, I'll be rocking that. We also have the melting band. Of course, you guys know I'm going to use this sometime in this video. Let's proceed to the last item. Last item is the drawstring bag, which I would use to keep my wig in after this video. So to the start of the show, our units. Just before I bring it out of the bag to show you guys here, so this is the undetectable HD lace. You can see it here, and the length of the hair is 24 inches. 24 inches. This is looking quite long. I'm happy. The longer what, the better. Hairline is looking gorgeous. Like, can you guys see? I hope my camera is like really on point with focusing today, because I mean, that's what I pray for every time before I start recording. I legit pray that my camera should work with me. Oh my god, this looks ready to throw on. Like, it looks so ready. The lace already is well bleached. Like, no, this bleaching is so good. It's going to look like so natural. The plucking as well, well done. Honestly, this is 5x5, so we have 5 inches deep and then wide as well. So I think you can open up a side part with this. I may or I may not do that, I'm not sure. For the hair texture, so we have the water wave. Like, these type of curls, I just love them so much, especially like maybe for like vacation, because like when water touches this hair, it becomes even more beautiful. So like going to the beach, it's just so gorgeous, honestly. The front part is flattened already, like all the hair taken to the back. If not, I would have used my hot comb. This lace is looking like it's going to be some sweet HD lace, so I don't see myself having to like glue this down. I'm probably just going to use like spritz mousse or Topps hairspray once I cut off like the excess lace. Let's see inside the lace with the band. So we have this elastic band which you can remove, so the hooks are here. You can decide to, you know, pop this off if it's like too tight for you. And then we have these other ones inside, which I'm just going to, I like to hook this to like the tightest, so I need everything to be strapped so my wig, what, it don't move. And like I always say, if you put your wig, like if your wig is like firmly on your head, the chances of your lace lifting, it has dropped by a huge percentage. Okay, this is going to be a very quick install. Water wave with the middle part, you know, all the hair taken to the back, and of course with this gorgeous face beads already, we're going to be out of here in no time. So this is a quick wig that once you get it, cut the lace, throw it on, and head off to the airport. You have to be going to the airport after you get this wig. Okay, so starting off, we are going to tint the lace. Time to pop this on. So the wig is on now, and here is what we have. I'm definitely loving this hairline. and how natural it looks. Like, they did this, honestly, no further work is needed. I am pleased with it, so we're just gonna proceed. I want to use my hot comb to flatten up the top, then I'm gonna cut off the lace, use my sprit, basically just work on the hairline. So follow me. Guys, so I'm done working on the hairline. Very little work needed. Now I want to work on the rest of the hair. I am pleased with the volume of the hair, honestly, the way it is dry, but I mean, it's water wave, so we gotta wet it a little bit. Okay, we gotta wet it, you know, see the beauty of those curls. And I think I want to rock it like a bit damp. Yeah, I think so. So let's do that. I have my spray bottle here. You want to get one that kind of brings it out as like a mist. Those ones are usually like the best. And I'm just going to work in sections. So let me take this part to the back first of all, then split this into two. Guys, so I'm done with the hair, wetting it. I wanted it to be damp. Like I said, I did not want it to be like wet, but I think it just makes the hair like more beautiful, like the name implies, the water wave. So definitely wetting it a little bit, like just before you step out, would give you like more beautiful curls. But if you want to rock it dry, I mean, that's fine as well. You would just have like more volume, but I think spraying it with a little bit of water like just before stepping out. And that's why I call this hair like the vacation hair, because yeah, when you get into the water with this hair and then you come out, you air it out, it's just going to look so beautiful, honestly. So I want to take off the band now, see if there's need for anything. If there isn't, then we call it a day or a night, I'm not sure. All right, guys, we are done with this unit. I definitely love it. I wanted to layer it a little bit around the face, but nope. I kind of like how it is. Plus, like, it's not like it's wavy hair that, you know, you get like wavy layers, all of that. No, with curly hair, if you don't layer, yeah, it's still gonna look bam. I love this so much. Let me show you guys the full length of this. So this is where it's coming down to. For 24 inches. Now this is actually really long, and I love the volume of this hair. Like, volume wise, this is so perfect. Wait, I feel like my ears can be seen. Let me just pop on my earrings. just feel like they're there, but you can't just see them. This texture is a little bit different from what I've like worked with in the past. I think this is like a very nice way. Maintenance wise, this would be quite easy because I did not need to like brush through anything. Like just wet the hair and run your hands through it. If you want it to be less voluminous, I think you should use more water to like make it a little bit more damp. If you want the volume, kind of what I have going on, then just spray a little, run your hands through it. You don't need to like, this isn't like a kinky curly hair, the ones that you need to like brush through to, you know, swirl your hand around to define the curls. No, this is the water wave curls. So like just little water, run your hands through it, does it. It's super easy to install. I didn't do anything to this hairline. Looks good. Let me use a comb to show you guys that this is still glueless. Okay, so I did not use glue to install it. With HD lace, honestly, tighten that band, tighten it, okay? But of course, let there be blood flow, I beg. Tighten your band, then tint your lace, throw it on, put the melting band, because like you can use like spritz mousse, you can use like a little bit of hairspray. I tend to avoid hairspray because it can like leave some white residue on your lace when you're taking it off, which comes off with water. But I mean, I can't be doing that every morning, so I just prefer to use like mousse and then use the band for a little while. This is something that of course you won't need to do like every day. This unit is so gorgeous. I do have a trip coming up, so I see myself rocking this. Honestly, the fact that it's easy to wear, like throw this on, head down for breakfast, take it off, come upstairs, do your, you know, have your bath, get ready to go out by the beach side, okay, and throw on this wig. When water touches it, you don't feel like, oh, I'm gonna have a bad hair day. Nope, it just gets better when water touches it. That's the beautiful part of it, honestly. As usual, I'm gonna leave a link for you to shop this unit and more from Yolissa hair. It comes in different lengths, so if you want something longer than this, I think there is up to 30. I would put it on the screen if I'm not correct, and you can get it shorter. I think this would be very gorgeous if it's like a 16. I think a 16 should be just about here. I think it will look really good. Like that 16, now it would actually, that's something I would love for like every day. Give you that wet look. It will look really good actually. So if you want a shorter length, you can go for it. And if you want it to be a frontal, baby, you're into frontal, okay, definitely you can get it. They do have 30, I think they have 13 by 4 and 13 by 6 for the frontal, but currently what I have is 5 by 5. I think this is pretty, you know, deep. I do like myself like a deep middle part because I think it just makes the hair like on my head like look more beautiful. Like it fits my face more than like a short one that is, you know, about here. Not the best. The deeper, the better. Okay. Yeah, it's a solid 10/10 for me, definitely. I love it. Let me know what you think about this unit. Check the description box for the link, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys.